A very good morning to Dr. Nazia. My name is Emmanuel Legan, and for this morning, I will represent about hybrid tiger trout. This is the content that I put in my video presentation, which is introduction, result, and discussion, advantages, disadvantages, recommendation, conclusion, and reference. For the introduction, in the biology context, the hybrid is an offspring of a cross between two distinct species or groups. It is frequently used to characterize their progeny resulting from a cross between two individuals or communities with disparate genetic mix-up. Tiger trout, also known as Salmo truta or Salvelinus fontinalis, and this hybrid have been resulting from a cross-breeding female brown trout and male brook trout. And for this species is very unique because uh, actually their offspring are sterile and usually do not naturally occur in the wild. They more often breed and rear in a hatchery, and this species can be found at Europe, North America, and Oceania. And the first recording of stream-born tiger trout appeared as early as 1944. For the male eastern brook trout, this male offers a vivid red and orange color below the lateral line of the fish, while the female tends to have a more subdued coloration. And native eastern brook trout range from the eastern Canada through the northeastern Georgia. And this species totally can be grown at a length of 4 to 16 inch, and for the average length in northeast water is 6 to 8 inch. And this trout in the northeast, they are actually they spend their adult life in the cold headwater such as ponds, large lake, stream, and coastal areas. For the female brown trout, in most environments, this species will grow to a maximum of 10 kg and 80 centimeter. Brown trout are deeply built only only for freshwater predator, and their marking and colors vary depending on their environment, from a small and sparse black marking to completely covering their body, while some have red spots on their lower flanks. And this species can be found in New Zealand and Australia. For the result and discussion, this hybrid are aggressive piscivores with a fast growth rate, and they have a proven effective at controlling invasive species. They, they, they cannot reproduce, and there is no threat of their population size getting out of control. Tiger trout are piscivores, which means that they need a large of portion of diet consists of fish, and actually their diet includes a lot, which is insects, larvae, and invertebrates. Their long lifespan can live up to 10 years in captivities. And most tiger trout can be found in the freshwater streams, ponds, and lakes. A tiger trout good to eat, and the tiger trout is not physically appealing, but they also have a delicious taste. The taste of tiger trout depends on various factors such as its diet, habitat, and age. And the flesh of this tiger trout is firm and flaky. In We can prepare it and enjoy in many ways, and these typical fish focus on recipes tend to work very well. And we can cook it with a clean body, which is we need to clean their catches, remove any entrails, and wash wash the fish before we cook it. These are three examples that we can cook tiger trout, which is grilled trout or cocaine, baked trout in foil, pan fried trout with garlic butter. That's it. And the benefit of tiger trout flesh for humans. And as we know that this trout have an excellent option for us to eat because the fish is have a high omega-3 fatty acids, and it contains a low level of mercury. And the benefits of this flesh tiger trout is it contains omega-3 fatty acids, and uh, it's necessary for our brain function and our performance for our body, and it can assisting with a normal growth and development. For the omega-3, it's a very essential fatty acid for our bodies because we need these nutrients from the foods we eat because we cannot produce it by ourselves. For the advantages, tiger trout and cutthroat trout can serve as a potential biological control agent. They also can help the ecology by reducing the population of predator fish like carp in a reservoir. For a triploid tiger trout, which is brown brook, this hybrid show the most potential to have of the hybrid tested, and they already show that they have a better survival than triploids hybrids. For the fried mortality, they have a higher for triploids of all three genetics type compared with the corresponding diploids. For the disadvantages, this triploid tiger trout have a very poor early survival rate, but at the end they have a good growth rate. But they also have a lower survival than brown trout, which is 70%. This tiger trout's weakness is their dependence on Utah carp as their predominant prey type, contributing up to 80% of their diet depending on the season. For the recommendation, the strike at the prey center of mass and strike prey from the side of common optimal tactics for tiger trouts. And for the flesh of tiger trout is good for health and we can eat it very well. For the tiger trout, they aren't fussy when it comes to food because they will eat anything that are nearly them, anything that close to them, and they eat it everything. And the taste of the tiger trout is delicious and full of omega-3. For the conclusion, um, when two distinct species or variations crossbreed, the progeny are referred to as hybrids in biology, and the genetic variety is boosted in these hybrids because they frequently combine features from both parents. When it comes to increasing agricultural qualities or researching genetic inheritance patterns, for example, hybridization can happen spontaneously and or be purposefully produced by people. So this is the reference that I refer from the internet that I take that I refer as my reference for my video presentation. So that is all from me, and thank you very much for watching my video presentation about hybrid tiger trouts.